everyone, and welcome back to Explore English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Hina.
Hello, I'm Sam. And Hina, I have to tell you what happened to me this morning at my nephew's school.
Oh, what happened? And hello to everyone listening today.
So, I went to drop my nephew at school, right? And this kid comes running up to him shouting, "Yo, what's up, dude?"
Oh my goodness.
And my nephew just froze. He had no idea what to say back.
Poor thing. He probably knows formal English from books, but not casual school English.
Exactly. Later he asked me, "Uncle, what does 'what's up' mean? Is he asking about the sky?"
Oh no, the sky.
I know. I explained it means "how are you," but in a casual way.
You know, this is perfect because so many students struggle with this.
They learn textbook English, but real school conversations are completely different.
So, today we should talk about how to actually speak English at school.
Yes, real conversations with friends, classmates, teachers.
Let us help everyone feel confident at school.
So, where do we start?
Maybe we start with the most common situation, meeting a classmate in the morning.
Yes, the first conversation of the day.
Okay, so imagine you arrive at school and you see your friend. What do you say?
Good morning?
That works, but it sounds very formal, like you were talking to a teacher.
So what do friends say to each other?
Friends usually say hey or hi or morning.
Just morning? Not good morning?
Right, drop the good when talking to friends. It is more casual.
Hey, morning. That does sound friendlier.
Or you can say, what's up, like that kid said to your nephew.
Hey, what's up?
Perfect, that sounds natural.
And how do I answer when someone says, "What's up"?
You can say not much or nothing much you.
Not much you. Okay, that is easy.
Or sometimes people just say hey back. You do not always need a real answer.
Really? So, what's up, what's up? That is okay?
Yes, it's more like a greeting than a real question.
I never knew that. I always tried to think of a real answer.
Now you know. Keep it simple and casual.
What about in the classroom when the teacher asks you something?
Oh, that is completely different. With teachers, you use formal English.
So, casual with friends, formal with teachers?
Exactly. You need to switch between the two.
Okay, so if a teacher asks, "Did you finish your homework?"
You say, yes, ma'am, or yes, sir, or yes, I did.
Not just, "Yeah"?
Never yeah to a teacher. That is rude.
So, yeah with friends, yes with teachers.
Exactly. Respect matters with teachers.
What if I do not understand what the teacher said?
You can say, excuse me, could you please repeat that? Or, I'm sorry, I did not understand.
Is that okay? Will the teacher be angry?
Not at all. Good teachers appreciate when you ask. It shows you want to learn.
That is good to know.
Never sit there confused. Always ask when you do not understand.
What about group work? When you work with classmates on a project?
Oh, that is another important situation. In group work, you need to cooperate and share ideas.
Like, "What do you think?" or "Do you agree?"
Yes! Perfect phrases.
"Let's try this," or "How about we do it this way?"
Excellent! Those are collaborative phrases.
What if someone in the group has a bad idea?
This is tricky. You need to disagree politely.
How do I do that?
You can say, I see what you mean, but maybe we could try...
So you acknowledge their idea first, then suggest something else.
Exactly. You are not saying they're wrong. You are offering an alternative.
That is interesting, but what if we...
Perfect. Very diplomatic.
Diplomatic? That is a fancy word.
It means polite and tactful.
Can we talk about lunchtime? That is when I think kids talk the most.
Oh yes, lunch is pure casual conversation.
Like, "Want to sit together?" or "Save me a seat?"
Yes, those are perfect lunch phrases. Or, can I try your food? If you see something interesting.
Kids always want to try each other's food.
They do. And you can say, sure, or go ahead, if you agree.
Or, Sorry, not today, if you do not want to share.
Yes, simple and friendly refusal.
What about making plans, like want to hang out after school?
Yes, hang out is very common student language.
Want to come over to my place, or let's meet at the park?
Perfect. Those sound natural.
And if I am busy?
You can say, I wish I could, but I have homework, or maybe another time.
Sounds fun, but I cannot today.
Exactly. Friendly but clear.
Thoughtfully, what about when you need help with something?
With classmates, you can be direct. Can you help me with this problem?
Or, I do not get this. Can you explain?
Yes, friends help each other. Do not be shy to ask.
What about borrowing things, like a pen or eraser?
Can I borrow your pen? Very simple.
And you give it back and say, thanks.
Exactly. Always return and think.
My nephew borrows pens and never returns them.
That is every student. Pens disappear mysteriously.
What if there is a problem, like someone is bothering you?
This is important. You need assertive but not aggressive language. Please stop or I do not like that are clear.
Give it back, please, if someone takes your stuff.
Yes, firm but polite. And if it is serious, tell a teacher. Excuse me, I need help with something.
So students should know how to stand up for themselves.
Absolutely, but always try polite first.
What about compliments? If you like someone's backpack or shoes.
Oh, compliments are wonderful. They make friends.
Cool backpack. Or I like your shoes.
Perfect. Short and genuine. And the response is usually thanks or thank you.
Nice haircut. Thanks. I just got it yesterday.
Beautiful, natural conversation.
What about sports? Like during PE class or recess?
Oh yes, sports have their own language.
Pass or I'm open in basketball.
Nice shot or good game after playing.
Want to play? When starting a game.
Yes, sports English is action words.
What if you lose?
Good game or you played well.
Never be a sore loser.
Exactly. Respect is important.
This is so helpful. I wish someone taught me this when I was in school.
I know. We learn grammar, but not real conversations.
I remember being so confused by casual English.
What was your most confusing moment?
Oh, someone said to me, catch you later, and I'd looked around for something to catch.
Oh, Sam. It means see you later.
I know that now, but back then I was so confused.
We all have these moments.
That is why episodes like this are so important.
Yes, real English for real situations.
To everyone listening, do not be afraid to use casual English with friends.
Yes, it is okay to be informal with classmates.
But remember to switch to formal with teachers.
That switch is very important.
Practice these phrases. Use them at school.
And tell us in the comments. Write a sentence you will use at school.
Yes, practice by writing it here first.
We will check it and help you.
And tell us, what other school situations should we talk about?
Yes, what English topic should we cover next?
We love hearing your suggestions.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Yes, thank you for joining us.
If this helped you, please subscribe to Explore English Podcast.
And give us a like.
Share this with your friends or classmates who are learning English.
Help them feel confident at school, too.
Until next time, keep practicing.
Remember, yeah with friends, yes with teachers.
That is a good rule to remember.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.